This is Design's Do's and Don'ts with Kai and Michel.
Right now, I really hate when everything is all white. Like that trend of everything being all white. We're not in an all white space because look at the warmth.
I'm like, is she calling me out?
No, in the upholstery, like when everything is just like cool tones, you know, like white and gray. I think that we have to like bring warmth back into spaces.
Oh, the gray trend, basically.
The gray trend,
yeah,
yes.
I get it.
Let me.
Oh, I did the hell out of it.
Because normally what comes with the gray trend is something white, like white countertops and white cabinets.
All blue tones, right?
It's just so cool. Like I'm shivering.
Right, it's just time to warm some things up. I'm agreeing with you. I think the do is warm in earth tones again. I think bring brown back.
Yes, bring brown back.
Bring brown back.
Say that 3 times.
Okay, that was tough. But not the way we did it before, like chocolate browns and blues or oranges and chocolate browns.
No.
Let's not be predictable. Let's make it a little more caramel like the sofa. Let's make it, look at us. I mean.
We just really like to lead by example. What is your biggest design do?
I'm gonna give away one. That's really easy, right? In order to establish a color in the room, right, we've got something super neutral, and you're like, I need something just to add a little bit of punch. To establish that color in the room, you should have it 3 times. Maybe a stack of books, maybe a flower, and maybe a vase. But like, I wanna see a triangle in the room to make it make sense and create balance.
We know my forever design do is wallpaper.
Oh, you're a thief. She's a thief?
Wallpaper. So I think the day where we think of wallpaper as this really like antiquated, what was in our grandmother's homes that was super floral, and you're like,
You're gonna be super mad when you see our interiors because you didn't use wallpaper.
You'll just be sad, but you'll be sad with yourself. So we're telling you now that wallpaper is a do.
I accept.